I'm bringing my Travelo with me today, guys. So, I've done a video on this years back. As in, sobrang tagal na. And it's now in the Philippines. Sobrang easy lang to refill this. Open ko lang to. Tanggalin ko yung cap na to. Or tanggalin ko yung bahay niya. Hold on. Like that. And then, I have my favorite Isabel's Daughter scent over here. All I need to do is remove this cap. Yan, para ma-reveal that. And then, may puwet ito. May puwet, may ano siya dyan. All you need to do is pump. Ipapump ko lang like this. Tapos, marirefill na siya ng bonggang-bongga. So, I don't need to bring this huge bottle around. I can just, you know, refill this Travelo and then travel with it. O, diba, bongga? Dito, makikita mo kung gaano kadami pa yung laman niya. So, you know when to refill. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. So, I'm on my way to Makati. We are going to review a service for Beauty MNL, and it's gonna be a spa service at Hua Spa. I slept at around 6 AM just to be able to edit all the videos that I filmed last night. So, the 100K giveaway is now up on my channel. Go ahead and check it out. I'll have the link over here and even that in the information box. So, sobrang grabe na yung response when I woke up this morning. Ang dami nag-tweet, nag-Instagram, and nag-post sa Facebook. So, make sure you follow all the instructions para ma-count in yung engine niyo. So, for my makeup look today, since I'll be getting a massage, I just have on very light makeup. I have the L'Oreal pencil on my brows. And then for my foundation, I just really like talaga yung foundation from Super Beauty. So I did a video on this. I'll have it up by tomorrow. Pero I tried out the Tint Fluid Foundation. I never thought I would like this. As in, sobrang kala ko hindi ko siya magustuhan. I am in a shade of medium and sobrang perfect for the skin. It really hides all the imperfections and medyo weird lang yung consistency niya. It dries up pretty quickly, so you have to blend right away para okay siya agad. And then I used the tint concealing stick also from Super Beauty on my under eye area, and then I had to bake it. Naglagay ako ng Laura Mercier na powder para hindi siya mag-crease kasi napansin ko medyo nag-crease talaga siya. And then for my lip color also from Super Beauty, and it is their So Matte Lip and Cheek Therapy in the shade of Canopus. It's the brownish shade they have. So I'll have the video on the Super Beauty haul plus swatches very soon. Tomorrow morning for sure. I just have to edit that one. So after that, we have to go to Greenbelt kasi may appointment din ako sa Greenbelt. We're also gonna try another service. So mamaya ko ikwento kung ano yung service. So right now, we're stuck in traffic, pero hopefully makarating na rin doon mga siguro 10 minutes yata, and then okay na. Uber car ko, guys. Anyway, I'm here na at the Finman Center. Ito yung spa na pupuntahan ko. Kakatapos lang ng massage ko here at Hua Spa, guys. If ever you want to know more about the spa service that I tried out today, I'll have the link in the information box. If ever ma-up na siya by the time you're watching this vlog, but I'm not really sure. Pero super cute. Look at this. O, diba? I'm currently in the couples room. So, if ever may mga jowa kayo dyan na gusto nyo magpa-relax ng bonggang-bongga. They have a couples room. They also have a restroom. At ang daming mirror ng room na to, guys. Look at that. Nakaka-lurks. And also, ang sarap-sarap ng tea nila. This is actually my first time trying out like sugar cubes. And this is my 4th cup of tea. Sobrang sarap. TWG na yung brand. I actually chose kung ano yung tea yung gusto ko. At ang sarap-sarap niya, guys. I put in 2 cubes. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung bed ko kanina. Bongga, diba? Tapos mayroon tayong sobrang cute na chandelier. And then, papakita ko lang yung ano sa inyo, yung CR. Sobrang cute na may mga ganito pa. Pwede mag-partition and all of that. Ayan, look at this, guys. I love it. Oh, outfit of the day. Sobrang simple. Such a laid-back outfit because, you know, sobrang daming errands ko lang. All black. And, ito pa, ang cute ito, girl. Look at this. Diyan pinalagay yung mga jewelry ko. Like my earrings. And guys, himala kasi hindi man lang naggalaw yung makeup ko. Even though I put my face in the hole, hindi nagalaw yung kilay ko. Konti lang, pero pack na pa rin. So, that's it. We're gonna go on to the next event or the next appointment. Now here at Greenbelt, guys, we're gonna try Strip Ministry of Waxing. Super bongga na to, guys. They never reuse products. Kaya, for bagong client, or girls, bago rin ganito. Tapos lahat ng kailangan nyo gamitin na sa loob na. Ay, yung lahat ng kailangan gamitin ang gagawa sa inyo. Ayun. It's my first time here at Strip. At Strip Ministry of Waxing. And they're called Ministry of Waxing for a reason. So, let's try it. I'm gonna undergo the full leg full leg waxing. The Queen Bee service. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi ni Cha na squishy toys. If ever hindi kayo sanay sa waxing, pwede nyo siyang squeeze. Pero ako hindi naman kailangan. Kawawa naman ito. Pero yan. Yan lang. May option ka na ganyan. Ano ito, ate? Oh my gosh! Bakit ano to? For what?
Ano din siya, ma'am? Squeeze toys din siya.
Squeezy toy din to for boys. Akala ko okay. So I purposely did not shave for this treatment, guys. So ayan, medyo lagi kasi ako nagpapa-wax kaya yung hair ng legs ko hindi ganun ka kapal. So ayan, we're gonna vlog the whole thing. First step daw is the cleanser. Ayan. Natutuwa ko dyan. Roll on. Ngayon lang nakakita ng ganyan. Bongga.
And guys, kasama pati yung sa may toe area. Yung my hair. Bongga!
After wax lotion, then next to remove the excess wax. We are done, guys. Oh my gosh. I feel so hair-free. I love it. Woohoo! And it did not hurt one bit. I mean, konti lang. Pero girl, look at that. Oh my gosh. And even the hair dito natanggal. So, ting ting ting, bongga. Treatment is done and I give Strip Manila a 5/5. Hands down. That's why they say this is the best place to get wax kasi, girl, hygiene pa lang and all of that. I did not feel a bit of pain. Anyway, ako kasi sanay ako sa waxing, pero I love the Queen Bee wax. Bongga talaga yung roll-on wax. Ngayon lang talaga nakakita ng ganang roll-on wax. Pero, yeah, I feel really, really smooth all over. And for the full leg wax pala, from bikini line hanggang toes ninyo, tanggal lahat ng hair. So, sobrang bongga. If you wanna try it out, go here. Ang dami silang branches. I'll have all the links in the information box kung saan sila pwedeng puntahan. Thank you so much to Strip Manila for letting me try out this service. I really enjoyed it and I highly recommend it. As in, no joke at all. I love it. I love it. I'm finally home, guys. May papakainin sana akong pusa kanina. Pero ayaw niya lumapit sa akin. Sayang, may bangus pa naman ako dyan and rice. Anyway, bagong pusa kasi yun. Hindi yun si Miming. 7:45 na. I haven't eaten dinner yet. So I had sandwich for lunch, which is at 6 p.m. Tonight, magluluto tayo ng tinola. Cooking tinola right now, guys, but doesn't taste anything like my mom's cooking. Hindi ko alam kung anong kulang, but then again, ito na yung itsura niya. Mukha naman siyang tinola. And yung mga manok ko, hindi ko alam bakit may mga black-black na ganyan. Ano ba naman yan? Sa SM ko kasi binili yan. So if you guys know, let me know sa comment box. Tatanungin ko rin si mama kung bakit may ganyan. Anyway, yan. Okay. Tapos may sayote, may luya, may nor, and then I am cooking rice right now. I have to go edit now, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Ang dami tayong gagawin bukas. Medyo antok na ako, nakaka-works.